think that how can we customize, how can we style our product variants in case of Webflow e-commerce. Here we have two option sets for the product. One is related to the color and other is related to the size. And in this case, our client, what our client needs, our client required that the color variant must be in the smaller size and with no text, while the size variant must be in greater size as compared to that of color variant and with the text inside it. So as you all know that in Webflow e-commerce, we can style our options or our variants in a very limited way. So how can we achieve this concept? This let's see the example, and the concept we are using in this example will be the nth child concepts. So let's go to the Webflow and see. Here we have the option and then the list. And in this list, we have two option sets. One for the color, one for the color, and one for the size. Now, in our case, we just need this color in smaller size, this button in smaller size, and this button greater size. This buttons with no text, this and these buttons with the text. So let's design. So here are the options, and if you go to the style panel, then we have the options of the first item, the last item. So the basically we are what we are going to do. We are going to do that we just capture its parent element, we style the parent, and we force this button or this child to adopt all the properties or to inherit all the properties of its parent. So option is the parent and it's the first item. First item means that what I styled here will only be implemented to the first one, and second will be remain uninteracted. So let's style. For example, I need here the required size. So I need the size of height of 1.25 frame. Let's see, I will give this height to the parent element, okay? And our the child element, that is our color variant, adopt or inherit the height of its parent. So this is the height, sorry, its percentage. And now the second thing, the second thing that our client was that the client wants no text inside this, so you are going to give the text size 0 rem. See, this styling is only implemented on our first option set. Okay, clear? Now no text, and the required size is less than this size. Okay, and if you want to style this one also in the form of the circle, then this option, go to the style panel and see it's the last item. Last item, again set the height which you want to set. For example, in my case 14 rem, and I want in this case height of 2 rem. So I set 14 rem for the I set 14 rem for the width and 2 RAM. 14 RAM is distributed among all these product variants. See, and I controlled this position by flex of product variant wrapper. See, it's horizontal and it's all stretch here. So let's see. These are the color variant buttons with the smaller size because they are adopting the style of their parent option first element, and they are all in the larger size, that is 2 rem, and they are adopting the size of their parent, that is option last element. Let's go publish it and see the results. So here are the results. See, these are the color variants in the smaller size, these are and with no text as per the client requirements, and these are the size variants with the larger size and also text within.